Nestled in the heart of Valle de Bravo forest in Mexico, this collection of 4 separate volumes creates a timeless and enduring space that emphasizes natural materials and simple, clean lines. The square shapes of its volumes feature rhythmically repeating openings, providing views in every direction. These volumes serve different purposes, connected by a network of terraces and paths that compose the cohesive design of the property. The design standout feature of the FS house is the use of carefully selected and shaped stone to surround the various volumes, seamlessly blending with the natural surroundings. This unpretentious and harmonious connection to the environment creates a striking visual impact while embedding the structures in the landscape. Inside, the stone elements harmonize with warm wooden structures and floors, creating a perfect balance of contrasting materials. To maximize the stunning forest views, the stone volumes are staggered and opened, allowing natural light and ventilation to flow throughout the interior. This design choice fosters a sense of openness and connection to the outdoors while maintaining privacy and security. The structure defines the various spaces within the house, adding warmth and texture to the overall design. The property comprises a main house, a private shack studio, 2 guest cabins, and a watchman's house. Scattered throughout the land are strategically placed terraces and a rainwater-fed lake that collects water from the house and surrounding slopes.